This is Manivannan from Sigram Infra. We are into this construction business. So we came here, the expo which is happening at Chennai. So we had a look at Starshield products which are so unique. I have not seen them in many places. So we are going to get some of the products. We like it actually, it is very unique. I think whoever seeing this video, you guys should have a look, and if possible, if it is needed, you can go for this one. I recommend it. I particularly like the product that Starshield. I mean, heat proof. Yeah, glasses. I like them very much, and the heat proof chemical you showed us, no? For the roof. Yes, for the roofs and the homes. I like it very much.